Now, Remixable includes resale rights to over 30 software tools, and you are of course going to repackage, rebrand and resell all of these tools. But remember that these are proven softwares. They've cost me over $100,000 to build and have generated over $1 million in sales. And more importantly, they are extremely useful to use yourself as internet marketers. In fact, amongst the 30 plus tools you'll find list building tools, including Push Pro for building a list with web push notifications, along with video creation tools, e-commerce tools, affiliate marketing software, and many more. So we recommend you to use these tools yourself. One, because understanding the software will help you sell it, and two, because quite frankly, they're awesome software tools. And like I say, people have paid us literally over $1 million to use these tools. In fact, they cost over $1,000 if you were to buy them all separately, but they're yours to use and resell as part of Remixable. So what are you waiting for? Click the button to join Remixable today. You'll get instant access to the 30 plus software tools for your own personal use and of course to resell, along with everything else that's included in Remixable.